Hi everyone, my name is Elena and you're watching a Marvelous Designer tutorial. This video is the third part of new features of Marvelous Designer series. We already created a whole outfit. Now we are going to use AI features of Marvelous Designer to create new poses and creating texture and graphics for our outfit. So let's jump in. So the next thing that I'm going to talk about is the fact that there are some features that they use artificial intelligence. For using an AI feature of Marvelous Designer, first of all, what you need is to click on plugins and then AI Studio activation. As soon as you click on it, you enter into your account and you should sign in. And then you scroll down, and here in the bottom of the page of your account you should activate AI Studio plugin. You need to consent the agreement. It's usually about the ownership of your artworks and stuff. And after that, here turns on, because before that it's all green, not green and gray. And as soon as you activate it, you should close the Marvelous Designer, and then when you reopen it, here you can see that this magic tool, magic wand, magic stick is turned on. And after this you can use some features like, for example, AI pose generator. Let me save AI pose generator. That how it works. It works with prompts and image. First of all, you should select the gender. Right now Marvelous Designer has just two of them, female and male. And if I choose female, it has a precaution. The image that you want to use as a reference should be a body image from head to toe. So for example, if I'm going to use this image, I'm going to drag it. Can I drag? I forgot. No, here I should upload it. And I press on generate. And for example, for me, this victory we sign, one piece sign was important. So here, while I'm at this level that I didn't save it, I should turn on the avatar joints and adjust the joints that I need them. It's hard to apply pose on hands. Okay, when you are happy with your pose, I'm not that much happy. Let's say I'm happy. Once you're happy with the pose, you can save it. Another thing is that you can add prompts. And here, since it's not a language AI and it's visual type, it's better to type words. It's word friendly rather than explaining. You can't write a sentence. It's like every word is a tag. So if you want, for example, head tilted, upper body lean forward, slightly forward, you can add tags and then see what happens. For example, let's see what it generates. I'm the only one using this feature. Let's say it's not bad and it's not female. What should I do next is to generate, if you want, keyword. You have keyword suggestion like and understanding, dynamic. Well, if it helps. Again, I'm the only one here. It's nice. And weight is just on one leg. If I was artificial intelligence, I would do the same thing. I have always problem with the hands. Let's say I like it. I hope it's a woman. Now what I need to do is to save it in pose, in avatar female pose. I call it AI generated pose. I save it. Okay, so let's close the box. Now I reopen again. And now here in avatar female pose, I have AI generated pose. Oh my god, I forgot to. Oh, no. Ctrl Z. And just like that. Okay, another AI feature that right now I'm going to talk about it is this texture, the print, the graphic. That what you need to do is to open it. Here you click, you have texture, graphic, editor. And here in the graphic, again, you have image and you have text. Then you have pop art, comic, embroidery. For example, what I wanted to use was this image that I generated on ChatGPT. Upload a photo, and here I can say I don't want it to be a embroidery, neither comic book. What is the difference between pop art and comic book? I need transparency, so let's see the preview of it. Don't you tell me how many people are in front of me. What if I want comic book? Comic book is, I think, a subcategory of pop art. I don't know which one generated the other one with the pop art. I don't know. Cuddy, no, I like it. So let's apply it. Okay, there's also this text that you can write like we did for the pose, and it's always word friendly. Now I'm going to add it here. Click. Oh my god. It's nice. And yes, that's it. This is everything I wanted to tell you for now. Let me see. Yes, I hope you like this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye.